I'm not sure it's their own song. Is it your own song, ladies? Oh, it's their own song. Great. I have a new composition here. It's called Rain Down on Me. It's Alice Chandler and Nicola Fraser, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright. This song's called Rain Down on Me, but if it does start raining, please don't blame us.
This way.
Jazz. Let's hear it for Jazz in the background, yeah? Unannounced. Sorry about that, Jazz. Enjoy that, ladies? Got the Lady Gaga keep it in there? Yes, indeed. Donna?
I really enjoyed that, guys. And sampling Lady Gaga was brilliant. A brilliant idea. I take it that was your own composition?
Well, not the Lady Gaga part.
That's no.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, is that the one you did in Dunfermline the last time?
No.
No. What I was going to say was, your overall performance lifted about 10, 15 notches for me. The addition of the drummer just gave it that added dimension. You were great together in Dunfermline. It was a much more laid-back, cool kind of performance. Today, you nailed it. I loved your song. You look great. And what a fantastic performance. I just don't know what else to say. I thought that was amazing, guys. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Donna. Adam?
Hi Alice, hi Nicola.
Hello.
I've got to say, your voices sound great together.
Thank you.
And it's wonderful seeing two people up there, well, three people. The mystery drummer,
We don't know him.
who I thought
Just
was
arrived.
amazing. He looked like something out of Matrix, Mr. Anderson. It's great to see people passionate about music, and you clearly are very passionate about music. You go up there and you give it your all, and it comes out sounding great. And I know for one that I couldn't stop my foot tapping, and I'm sure everybody here today, they were all having a good time. You having a good time with that? Really, really good. Inspirational going into Gaga. What can I say? Really enjoyable. Thanks very much. Great.
Thanks, Adam. Jen?
What made you have the drummer, girls? What was your thought behind that?
Well, actually, we met at Fife Talent last year and we started a band, so we just entered the first round on an off chance, and we thought it'd be nice to bring some more of the band in for the final.
Because it's a great addition, you know. It really it gets your feet up the drums, and I would pay to see you if you're out at a gig sometime. I'd like to know and come and because I enjoyed that number. If the rest of your numbers are like that, it'd be good value for money for me, and I would enjoy that. Well done. I really enjoyed the song, the way you put it across, and I'm sure the audience enjoyed that as well. And see, well done to the drummer. He's away in the half. Right?
Yes. Yes, isn't it?
If you stop there, tell him I enjoyed that. Ringo, tell Ringo.
Thumbs up,
I enjoyed
Jess.
that. Anyway, well done, girls. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alice and Nicola.
And,
And Jess, of course. Thanks, girls.